Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add PayPal to your Apple Wallet. Immediately, open the Wallet application on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Look for the small plus sign, typically located in the top right corner of your screen, and tap it. This action is the first step in adding a new card or payment service, quickly moving you forward to integrate your PayPal account for seamless transactions. After tapping the plus sign, you will see various options for adding payment methods. Select the debit or credit card choice. This is where PayPal will be listed. Next, choose PayPal from the presented list of banks and services. You will then be securely redirected to the PayPal website to sign in with your credentials, ensuring your account is safely linked. Once you have successfully logged into PayPal, carefully review the terms and conditions presented for using PayPal within your Apple Wallet. Make sure to accept these to continue the setup. You might also be prompted to confirm your account details, ensuring everything is accurate before finalizing. Finally, consider enabling any optional features, such as Express Transit, for added convenience, though this is not required for basic functionality. Your PayPal account is now fully integrated into your Apple Wallet. You can now use your iPhone or Apple Watch to make purchases at millions of locations that accept Apple Pay. Consider setting PayPal as your default card for even quicker checkouts. Enjoy the ease and security of making payments with your newly linked PayPal account, simplifying your daily transactions effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.